Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this magnetic iPhone charger by the manufacturer is HHETP. So this is the pink color. The first thing we want to do is charge it. It does come with the cable. It is USB-C, but we have to plug this into a wall charger. So we're going to plug it in and charge it up. There was a piece of plastic right here. Make sure you remove that because that is a display. Okay, so when we plug it in, here's what the displays look like. It does come with 66% battery charge, but that will go up to 100%. Now it does have pass-through charging, so I can charge the device and put this on my iPhone, and it'll charge my iPhone and the power bank at the same time. Now this does have 5,500 milliamp hour battery inside, and it is really thin. The wireless output is 7.5 watts or 10 watts. And it charges with 5 volts, 3 amps is the best. It does come with this little felt bag. You could keep the cable and that in it. Now you can also charge something else. If I have a USB-C to like USB-C, I could charge another phone coming out. But let's try the magnetic wireless charging. So this is an iPhone 13. This will work with an iPhone 12, 13, 14, or 15. And simply just stick it on there. It's magnetically going to stick to it. And now it's charging it. That is super nice. Again, that's all you have to do. It'll charge your phone. I like that it's nice and thin. Now, if the display is dark, you can press this button on the side and that'll show up the battery percentage. Let's go over measurements. So overall, 4 1/8 that way, 2 5/8 that way. Now thickness-wise, 1/2 inch thick. Kind of lightweight. I like it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.